Hi everyone, it's Kim. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. Today I'm bringing you another What I Ate Today, and I've got a fun-filled, planned food day for you. I'm super excited. I had done some meal prep on Sunday. I'll link the video below to that because then I know that a couple of the things that I'm going to have today are going to be included in today's food, so I want to make sure that you know where to find those things at. Also I've already pre-tracked my day, so if I stay on plan today, I will have 4 points left at the end of the day. I think I have 12 points pre-tracked for the day. So don't forget to give me a thumbs up for the video and my channel, and leave me some comments below. And with that said, I'm gonna turn you around and get my day started. I didn't film my coffee. I'm filming this actually later because this morning, yeah, you didn't want to see any of this. So I didn't film my coffee, but I was just having black coffee with my skinny syrups, and I did cover that, but I didn't actually show you pouring my coffee this morning. So with that said, I will take you along with my day. I'm still doing my workouts. I switched over to the Beachbody 21-day fix. I'm on week 2 of that, and I think that's it. Also, one of the things that I have to do today is prep for my upcoming virtual class this Thursday. So that's on my agenda to do today as well. So with that said, let me show you what I'm having for breakfast, and I'm sure I'll touch base with you and chit chat with you throughout the day. For breakfast, I'm just going to have some eggs and some spinach. So I'm just gonna go ahead and spray my pan. The cooking spray that I'm using today is just the Great Value butter flavored cooking spray. I have my pan heated up. I'm just going to throw in a handful of spinach. And then we're going to saute that until it wilts down. So I'm going to come back once that happens, and I will add in my eggs and we'll finish up my breakfast. Okay, I thought I would check in midway. If you've never made spinach from fresh spinach and wilted it down in your pan, you start off with this big thing of spinach, and then it wilts down, and you have next to nothing left when you're done. So anytime you do this, make sure you add in extra, because trust me, you're going to wish you did. I have been having a lot of this lately just because it's so good. Let me get some extra light on here. Get it a little better. I've been having this just because it's been a really good breakfast, and it has been sticking with me. I'm just going to add some salt and pepper while that continues wilting down. And then I'm going to add some Mrs. Dash seasoning. I'm going to use this onion and herb. This has been really good on my eggs. So I'm just going to add some of that just to give us some flavor. And then what I'm doing today is I have 1 egg, and then I've added some egg whites, and the egg whites that I'm using today are the Bob Evans. It's probably the same one that I used with my last What I Ate Today. It's at the tail end of this one. Today is going to be the last day that I can use this. I did buy, I think, Meyer brand this last time I was at the store. So what I do is I fill up this cup until I get a ½ cup serving. Once I add my egg in, I just add the egg whites on top. Now there's just a tiny bit of egg whites left in here, so I'm just going to go ahead and add that to it just so that I can use up this container. Alright, so I'm just going to sit here and get my eggs to scramble. And then I will have my breakfast. Now, along with my eggs, I'm finishing up my coffee. That's the only thing I really had today. Is I got up this morning and I made coffee. And I'm still kind of trying to break that creamer habit. I did have creamer a couple of days last week, but maybe it was over the weekend. But I've done pretty good the last couple of days, going back to just using my my skinny syrups, and that's been really, really good. So I'll show you my current favorite skinny syrup, and I'm almost out of that one. I'm so sad. I was getting the, I don't know if I can show you. Okay, you've seen enough scrambled eggs, right? I'm just gonna go ahead and finish those off. Let me move you over, and I'll show you the current one that I'm using. The caramel fudge waffle cone has been super good. So once I get done with that one, I'm just going to switch over and do my vanilla caramel cream. And I also have a toasted marshmallow over here. There's one in the back. I think it's a pumpkin cinnamon roll. That one hasn't been my favorite, but I will finish that off. But 1 or 2 pumps of that, depending on my size of my cup, and that's it. I have been just having my coffee like that. So 0 Point coffee. Swinging you back around to my eggs. If you're on the blue or purple plan, your eggs are going to be 0, spinach is 0, so that is going to be my breakfast. All right, so I'm going to get this plated up. I'm going to eat this, and then I will come back and show you what I'm having for a snack. See, I got sidetracked and I got them a little brown. I need to get these off the heat. Okay, so here's my lunch, and there's steam coming off of it, so it keeps fogging my camera even though I'm further back. But here's my lunch. I am having some California-style frozen veggies. That's my leftover from last night, so there's about a cup of veggies there. And then I also have 1 cup of my pineapple chicken fried rice. So super excited to have that for lunch today. It's so good. And just in case you were wondering, the veggies are B0. And then on the blue and purple plans, my chicken fried rice for 1 cup of that should be 0. But it comes out to be 1 SmartPoint for some odd reason. When I put this into my tracker, it came up to be, the entire recipe was 2 SmartPoints due to the sesame oil. But for some reason, it went ahead and kicked it up to 1 SmartPoint because, I mean, technically it should be a half. But neither here nor there, 1 SmartPoint. It's going to be delicious, so I'm going to go ahead and enjoy this. Oh, there's a better picture. I just guess I had to turn it a little bit. So there we go. All right, so I'm going to enjoy my lunch, and then I will come back and show you what I'm having for a snack. Wasn't real hungry. Okay, so instead of you staring at my plate of food, I wasn't really hungry between breakfast and lunch. So I went ahead and skipped that snack in between. That just means I get to have more snacks later. So stay tuned. I'll show you what I'm having for snacks because I'm super excited about a couple of the snacks that I have planned for today. Okay, so my afternoon snack, I'm trying to figure out what time it was, is going to be cotton candy grapes and 10 almonds. So these 10 almonds will be considered a half a serving from what I was showing. So 2 SmartPoints for the almonds, 0 SmartPoints for the grapes. Have you guys tried these cotton candy grapes yet? I'm telling you right now, I was super excited to find these in the stores this past weekend. Okay, so I just finished my workout. Today was the upper fix, so it was all about upper body, and that one's a little tough. I'll be sore tomorrow. But I was kind of getting a little hungry, a little thirsty, so I thought that I would do just a coffee drink to kind of give me a little extra protein today, plus a little extra kick. I have my leftover coffee from this morning. So go ahead and throw that in there. Maybe another little splash. And then I'm going to go ahead and just dump in this whole Premier Protein. So my iced coffee will be 2 SmartPoints, and watch how satisfying this is. I love when the colors come together. Please tell me that if you make this coffee that you also pour it nice and slow just so you can kind of see the color change on there. I don't know. I get a kick out of it. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and throw a straw on this, and I'm going to enjoy this. And I think the next thing that you're going to see is dinner. Okay, so here is my dinner. I have a half cup of refried beans, and these are the ones that I made on my own, so they're 0 points. And then here is my salad. Look at the aftermath. It's always fun when you're having Taco Tuesday. So I have romaine lettuce in the bowl. I have turkey meat flavored with the taco seasoning. I've got tomatoes in here. I have onions in here. And then I threw some of this cheese medium salsa on top. So that is going to be 4 SmartPoints for my dinner. So the only thing I have to count is the turkey meat because I use the 93.7 turkey. So that's my dinner. I'm gonna dig right in. Okay, a little different background for you here. I just finished up a Zoom call with my teammates over at WW Super Fun.
So nice that we're getting together at least once a week to do that. And let me know in the comments if you're getting together with friends, family, coworkers using the Zoom app. Not sponsored, just curious. But it's super fun to be able to, you know, check in, catch up, set some goals for the week. We're trying to hold each other accountable as far as what we're eating, our activity. It's a really, really good thing, and it's really helping me because I know that I'm being held a little bit, you know, just a little bit accountable too. So I'm going to end the day here. I am probably going to have and you know, maybe I'll have an apple and some PB2. I was going to have some Almond Joy overnight oats, but I'm going to save those for tomorrow because not really hungry. I want a snack, but I'm not sure I want that heavy of a snack before I go to bed. So I'll probably just cut up an apple just to kind of, like I said, have a little snack, and that'll be it. So I think that I'm going to end the day at 10 points instead of 12 because I had already tracked my overnight oats. And what I did is I just made a smaller version of that. Normally I would have made a larger portion, but I just kind of scaled down the portion because I knew that I was going to be having that as a snack. My plan was to have that right after I got done working out, but that workout happened just before dinner, and my day kind of ran together after that. I was a little busier on my day job than I had I originally expected. So with that said, I'm going to sign off from here. I hope that everyone had a great day, and I will see you next video.